Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme X7 Max. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices. Now you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Following that, open it. Then choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we have to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then choose receive on Realme and send on an Android. After that, click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo. Oh, come on. Click send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on Realme, choose while using the app and over only this time and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now we have to wait a second. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can go into some kind of files app, select in my case photos, and as you can see, send anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!